Good evening, I'm Chris Wallace in for Brett Baer. Republicans are raising new questions and making new charges tonight about the IRS targeting of conservative groups. One of their concerns that the woman picked to run the Justice Department probe may already be in the president's camp. Chief Congressional Correspondent Mike Emanuel starts us off tonight.
House lawmakers heard chilling stories from several people affiliated with conservative groups who say they became targets of the government based on their political beliefs.
Beginning in 2010, the FBI contacted my nonprofit organization on 6 separate occasions, wanting to call through membership manifests in conjunction with domestic terrorism cases. They eventually dropped all matters and have now redacted nearly all my files.
The expected star witness, the Justice Department's Barbara Bosserman, an Obama political donor now involved in the targeting investigation, did not appear. Deputy Attorney General James Cole sent this letter to Congressman Jim Jordan, citing long-standing policy is to decline to provide Congress with non-public information about a criminal investigation. Cole wrote, quote, "It also is founded upon our commitment to avoiding any perception that our law enforcement efforts are subject to undue influence from elected officials." Jordan openly questioned Bosserman's credibility.
A lady with a financial stake in a specific outcome is heading the investigation. A lady who's invested in the president's success is heading the investigation, and the president could potentially be a target of that investigation. And we're supposed to believe this investigation is credible.
A Democrat defended her.
It is the policy of Congress that employees should be encouraged to exercise fully, freely, and without fear of penalty or reprisal, and to the extent not expressly prohibited by law, their right to participate.
There was also attention on President Obama's comments to Fox's Bill O'Reilly on Sunday, where the president blamed the IRS targeting on some bonehead decisions out of a local office and said there's not even a smidgen of corruption. Former federal prosecutor, South Carolina Republican Trey Gowdy, teed off.
The President of the United States has already prejudged the outcome of this investigation, so either it's ongoing or it's not. Either he's wrong or Eric Holder is wrong. In either case, it is time for special counsel, Mr. Chairman.
An attorney for some of the conservative groups issued this warning.
The IRS scandal is not over. It is continuing to this day, and the Department of Justice investigation is a sham.
This email provided by the House Ways and Means Committee from June 14, 2012 revealed private internal discussions of possible new regulations. Lois Lerner, the official who took the fifth last year on Capitol Hill, is copied on the email, and Republicans say the proposed rule defining political activity is designed to muzzle administration critics.
The Obama administration now seems to be trying to legitimize the harassment after the fact, to enact regulations that would essentially allow the IRS to bully and intimidate Americans who exercise their right of free speech.
McConnell and other top congressional Republicans have sent a letter to IRS Commissioner John Koskinen calling on him to stand in and take a stand against this proposed rule. Chris?
Mike Emanuel reporting from Capitol Hill. Mike, thanks for that.